The pill of the day is to show you how to apply the same effects to multiple clips in Premiere Pro. In this example, we have these 3 clips here and we want to increase the clip size for all of them. Let's increase the size of the clip to 300 so it will fit the screen size. Now, to copy this effect, we select Edit and then Copy. Select the clips that you want to modify and select Paste Attributes. You can then select which effect you want to paste. In this case, we want to paste only the motion effect, so we deselect all the other options. When done, click OK. As you can see, the effects are now applied to all the clips in the timeline.